this video I'm going to show you loose chain stitch. For loose chain stitch you need 5 strands of thread, and I have made a knot in the 8. Now we'll start. This is similar to chain, but we'll do a small twist. You have to handle 5 strands of thread. Take it like this. This will look nice in the border work. Rotate and give a chain like this. Again one rotate, chain. Rotate and make a chain like this. For the stitch you have to make a long chain. Small chain will not look nice. So you can make 2 rotation also like this. One, two. After making 2 rotation, I'll remove and I'll do. One, two. After making 2 rotation, you have to handle the thread very slowly. And compared to back side, this rotation, 2 rotation will be very thin. So while making a knot, take all the threads, hold it with the middle finger, pierce it, and again take all the threads out, and usual knot, but you have to handle 5 threads. So scratch it in the bottom so this thread will go down like this. So this is loose chain stitch.